Here is everything you need to know before going to Cappadocia's hot air balloon ride. I'll walk you through the whole experience subjectively so you know exactly what to expect. Let's jump into it. So basically every time you book a flight, you will also have a hotel pickup, which means yours is just to get up at 6 AM and walk in front of your hotel, where they pick you up. Then they drive you to the place where the balloons take off. Our balloon wasn't ready, so we had to wait for another 15 to 20 minutes, even though everyone already got up in the air.
They look so small on camera, but they're huge in real life. Look at that. Compared to the people on there.
I literally have to voice over and put music because while waiting the sounds are really loud. Then they give you this bag with juice, water and croissant, and then once the balloon is ready, you and 20 to 25 other people hop on it and get ready to take off. And it is going up. Once you take off, it's all calm from there. Enjoy the views.
We have a problem.
Once you're in the air, you have to stay in the same position throughout the whole ride, because there is a very limited space. Everyone is packed tight and you won't be able to move or take pictures without other people in them. Bummer. When we were in the air, there is a guy with the pilot who was taking 360 pictures. We were offered those pictures for 25 euros per person, but it was a group pictures. There is not a single picture where you're alone because there is 25 other people. So it's up to you if you want to get it or no. Successfully.
And successfully.
And successfully. With a rough landing though, but we survived.
It was honestly the best part. It was super fun. Bouncing all over the place. So yeah, we had a bit of a bumpy landing. We all had to take very specific positions or else it was a huge safety risk. We safely landed though, spoiler alert, we're here, live to tell the tale. But these are the skid marks our basket made bumping into the ground. First we landed there and like flew up, bounced, and kind of, you know, you get the idea, bounced it across the ground. It's 4,000 kilos, massive balloon. It's
4
massive.
tons. 4 tons.
It's crazy. The pilot, who has 16 years of experience and instructs all other pilots in Cappadocia, said that that kind of landing happens 1 or 2 times a year. It was good.
And we got it.
And we got it. Lucky us. Honestly, it was fun. Now that everyone's safe, it was fun. The balloons don't fly if it's over like 10, what is it, knots? Is that?
11 kilometers per hour or something like that.
And it was good conditions when we left, and then as we were up in the air, the winds picked up, so that's what made for a bumpy landing, literally. But
we are waiting for champagne now and the flight certificate, so you get that as well.
And what do you think overall? Impressions?
I loved it. I really loved it. It was really interesting to be in the air. It gets a bit...
Here's another one.
cool here. You got to witness it.
Question about ballooning, you can ask me now because flying time I cannot talk with you so much. I have to attention to the air traffic for your safely flight.
And we're celebrating a safe landing, successful flight. Overall, my take on the hot air ballooning in Cappadocia is, if you're going to hot air balloon anywhere in the world, this is the place to do it. I will say, however, it depends on how you want to spend your money. Hot air ballooning is probably one of the largest ticket items in Cappadocia. We did ATVing for 25 bucks. Hot air ballooning was 105. ATVing was really fun. I don't know, like, it's amazing views up there, but like, depends on what you're looking for, I guess. And take the cost into account, but definitely a once in a lifetime experience. I have no regrets. It was really enjoyable, and I do recommend.
If you want to know more about Cappadocia, make sure to check our latest video. We made a full ATV tour experience and trying some pottery kebab right here in Cappadocia. Thank you for watching.